and PhD, followed by PhD. Or you can directly enroll for PhD as well. And I'll come to some details regarding MPhil and PhD as well. Then you can either take another pathway where you take any life science subject. You can do BSc or BS. So BSc is for 3 years and Bachelor's of Sciences is for 4 years. And now with the National Education Policy, which is being rolled out gradually, it might happen that there will be some changes even in the BSc courses as well in terms of durations and degree too. After that, you can pursue Master of Science and then take MPhil or PhD route or directly a PhD route. You also have an option of doing integrated BSc and MSc or integrated BS and MS. There are quite a few colleges in India which offer that. Then again, you can consider pursuing MPhil PhD path or go for PhD itself. Now, another option is do BSc in any of the life science subject and then do integrated Masters of Science plus PhD. Moving on, even BSc Medical Sciences and MSc Biomedical Sciences, is also an option. And then you can take MPhil and PhD route, or you can directly go for PhD. Now, also you can go into this field through pure sciences. So if you are pursuing or planning to pursue your MBBS, go ahead with that. And then one route is that you do your PhD, or even you can go ahead and do your super specialization and then do PhD. There are other popular routes too, like doing your BTech, MTech or MS and then doing PhD, or even students from pharma background can also consider this route too. Important thing to keep in mind is that it is a long duration pathway. So you have to be really, really prepared for it. In terms of jobs or full-time jobs, you can consider working at CROs or clinical research organization, pharmaceutical and biotechnology companies, government research agencies, academic institutions, research institutions or institutes, and hospitals, both private and public. Okay, so let's move on. Now, when it comes to overseas, US, Canada, UK, and Australia, they offer good courses both at undergraduate level and postgraduate level. So I have listed a few of those, even in bachelor's and master's, but there are many more than these. So molecular and cellular medicine, genetics or genomes, microbiology, biochemistry, biological science, anatomy and physiology, biotechnology, pharmacology, health sciences, just to name a few. Okay, let's move on. Now,